First I make this circle. So as I tell you always, the circle is a very important part to make its nice proper circle. And after that we can creating once more circle over here. So I make it is first 3/4 angle, this 5 angle. It is little easier to recognize the nose and eyes. So I start from this.
Why is there a second circle?
Sorry, Vita.
Why are there two circles?
Yeah, I explain this is why the two circles here. It is the different methods to draw the portrait. Okay, fine. So now after that, we go ahead in this line. I just make it uh, like this in middle. Okay. For any country's character portrait, the same the technique I applied. After that, I little bit of modify the nose, eyes, and mouth. But the basic structure for drawing for every human portrait the same way. So just make
So
it.
why are there two circles?
Yeah, I tell you that, beta. Why two circle? This is the eyes line.
Okay.
Okay, that much is a forehead, and that much is a nose. Okay, this is for the eyes line. This is the nose line. This is the forehead. That much is the forehead. Okay. Now the same height we are creating here. The same distance I creating here. Okay, almost try to approximately the same heights, and just make it the characters I want to just see little up. So just after that, okay, just make it line. This is the eyes line. So here for this line and chin line, for like a nose line and chin line, হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা কি করেছিলে গো আজকে খাওয়া সকালে ব্রেকফাস্ট ওকে ব্রেকফাস্ট কি করেছিল মোটামুটি একটা 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 দাও না so make it like here the eyes. So I just make its eyes line here, and from this line we are here the ear parts. Okay, if character looks up, then it's coming like this. If character looks middle, it's coming like this. If character looks down, it's coming like this. Okay, is it down, is the middle, is up. So I make it for your understanding this better to make this normal. If I make character is goes up, showing up, so that time also the circle also coming like this, that plus sign, but here it's coming like this straight. For here it's coming like this down. So this plus sign also depend the where the character move. It is in look in front or up or down. That is depends. So I do like this. So here the eyes. So I just make it first little bit of this is of the old man. So I just let it do like this. So here is the nose. Make it nose like this. Okay, this is old man, so the nose is little bit of different. Like this. Okay. Here the eyes, this is eyes line. So create the eyes like this. That one's done. Can I go ahead?
Now one second. Here the nose.
Yeah. Can I show nose again?
Nose bit.
Okay. Fine. So done.
Yeah, done.
Okay. So nose done. Here's the eyes. So you can go eyes like here. This old man. So eyes is a very tiny. It's not bigger. This part is little more. This part is little more. And this actually eyes is like this, but the old man eyes so close. When you are drawing the old man, the eyes should be very close. And lots of wrinkles. So here is I make the eyebrow. So this part is very important for China. When you draw in Chinese character, this part is more bigger. It is a main symbolic of China. You can just make some wrinkles over here and there, like this. Little other part also can visible here. Okay. So here's the mouth part. You can divide it three part. 1, 2, 3. You know I use the same technique before. Before I show this technique, the circle and then division like this. No, before I show like this. This is I showed before, but today I add the circle, the next steps, next level of drawing. So first level, if I show all those details, it's a little difficult to feel. So that's why the first steps when I showing, I show this like this technique. But now today I show this add the circle. So basically nose, eyes is, and the mouth actually is coming inside the circle, this height. Okay. So now here's the mouth. So you can go draw the mouth like this. Okay, here. Another part of mouth like this. This positions for the ear. So you can make the ear. Okay, here you can make this. So in China, the mostras is different.
Recording in progress.
So this mostras is different. So you can make it the mostras like this. Both beer and mostard is little bit different. Okay, so you can create like this. So that much diagram first I do. This is the area. Okay. Here is a After that, you can make this hair and all. The head part of it is now is a circle. You just little modify. Like if you see the head is not exactly circle, little straight and then down, then up, then down. So little it's not exactly circle. So you can go ahead to like little change maintain. Almost circle, but it's not exactly circle. This is ear. The aged man. So no any line not coming very like floppy or roundish because it's aged. When it's aged, young age, the ear is like this, young age. But the old age, it's coming like this because it's all the skin is down or you know not that all of wrinkles is coming like this. And this wrinkle is very common of any uh, China's. This is especially the eyes, this skin. Okay, you can make this mouth. This is upper mouth. This is lower mouth. From lower mouth also not that very visible because there's lots of beard over here. So just make it add something shading over here. This part, so it looks little light on sides. Then add the shading over here also. So how to draw the Chinese or Japanese character or South Korean or Bhutanese, Nepali, all those are the same kind of uh, small eyes, big beard. I see this Chinese, Japanese and Nepali, Bhutanese are very close face. Observations is very important for drawing. Okay. Okay, make it nicely. Lots of line here. Make it dark. Okay. time to finish, then you can show me. Then okay, this is, yeah, you got it. It looks like a this Chinese and Japanese characters. It's fine. So you take the points. Yeah. Now I show this next as a different, the same character, but the different old man in African old man how looks. Then the adult character like a 14 to 80 this character, some including the junior characters also. So I can show you.